Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we are spending the night at the Quality Inn and Suites here in Pontiac, Illinois. We're just going to go a short room tour, and yeah, so let's go and check it out. As you can see, this KFC / Pizza Hut, which is, it looks almost brand new, sits in front of the Quality Inn. My guess is that the Quality Inn, this used to be the front parking lot of the Quality Inn, because the ones I've been to before, a lot of them, they have parking spaces out front of the building, and the motel probably sold this land so they could make a little bit more money. Maybe because of the downturn during the pandemic. I'm not for sure. But there is no parking on this side of the building because the road goes right by here. And there are a few spaces back here in the back, not very many. So I've counted up the spaces here, the parking lot spaces, and that's the only thing. If this hotel was fully booked, I'm not for sure if there'd be enough spaces for the people staying here. Here's just a short little room tour. All the basic amenities are there. Now the mini fridge is inside this cabinet, which is below the TV. Microwave. Can't really see anything out the window because it is so much cooler outside than it is inside at the moment. But you really don't have much of a view here, it's just the parking lot. Overall, this is a nice little hotel, fairly inexpensive. This is one of the more inexpensive places to stay here in Pontiac. About the only issue I could maybe see with this facility, if you're just looking for, a room to stay in for a night or a few nights, is the parking situation. So during the busy time of the year, I'm not for sure if there would be enough parking if all of these rooms are booked up. But other than that, that's about it. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.